Most period products are single-use, expensive and bad for the planet. Say hello to the solution. Hello Cups and Hello Discs are comfortable, reusable period care alternatives that are great for your wallet and the environment. But which one is right for you? A Hello Cup sits in the vagina below your cervix. It uses suction to stay in place and holds 3 to 4 regular tampons or pads. A Hello Disc sits behind the pubic bone. It doesn't use suction, so is a great choice if you have an IUD. It holds more than 5 regular tampons or pads. They're both made from hypoallergenic medical-grade materials, TPE for the Hello Cup and silicone for the Hello Disc. The Hello Cup needs to be removed before sex, while the Hello Disc doesn't, because it sits higher, allowing for no messed period sex. Remember, the Hello Disc is not a contraceptive. Using either the Hello Cup or the Hello Disc is simple. Use a shallow punch-down fold to insert your Hello Cup. To insert your Hello Disc, fold it in half first and insert with the tab at the bottom end. Hello Cups come in small, medium and large, while Hello Discs are one size fits most and suit all cervix heights. What about sustainability? Both Hello Cups and Hello Discs will last for years, saving you the equivalent of up to 2,000 single-use period products. Good for your bank balance and good for the planet. Buy online at helloperiod.com.